Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install the Umingle web app on your Android phone. This method works on any browser, but the process might look a little different. For this video, I will be using the Brave browser. First, open your browser and search for Umingle. Go to the website and select video. Then allow access to your camera and microphone. After that, tap the three dots in your browser menu and choose Add to Home Screen. Then you will see an option to install or create a shortcut. Just tap install and the Umingle web app will be added to your phone. Once that's done, you will see the app on your home screen. Open it and you are ready to go. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.